Hello and welcome. I will be answering JAMB 2012 Physics Past Question 19. Clinical thermometers are examples of A. Pressure gas thermometer, B. Resistance thermometer, C. Alcohol thermometer, D. Mercury in glass thermometer. So clinical thermometers are basically the thermometers that are used in hospitals and clinics for measurement of human body temperature. Measurements of human body temperature. And we are asked what type or what example of thermometer is clinical thermometer. Now, based on the thermometric substance or liquid present in the clinical thermometer, the clinical thermometer is a mercury in glass thermometer, meaning that the thermometric substance inside the liquid inside the thermometer, inside the tube of the thermometer, is mercury. So that is why it is described as a mercury in glass thermometer. So mercury in glass thermometer is option D. So that is the correct answer to this question. Thank you, and please subscribe to this channel for more videos and for more past questions and answers.